That's a good one. Big bite.
Big bite, Aayan. Big bite. Aayan.
Big bite. Bite, bite, bite. Bite. Yummy. Big bite. Bite, bite, bite. Get through. Oh, that was a good bite, Aayan. Yay. Bite, bite.
Bite,
Good.
bite, bite.
All right, now let's try everything. Ready?
Finish, girl.
Big bite.
Big bite, big bite.
Yay.
Let's see.
Oh, your hand got dirty. Ooh, your
Mm.
hand got dirty. So
Aayan,
the
look.
grapes he's gotten.
This is good. Yeah. But
The only
this
thing with
strawberry-
grapes is it stays in his mouth for a very long time. It's almost like gum. It's just moving all around. Choo choo swallow. Choo choo swallow. Yum. 2, 3 bites. A fourth of a grape.
Fourth of
Yeah.
a grape.
So see, it's still in his mouth.
Aayan. Chew.
And so it's in more than 30. It's
I am
like
too.
it'll stay in there for a minute, 2 minutes.
Mm-hmm. If we say,
Chew,
okay,
swallow.
swallow, then he...
And when he
Okay.
sees that it's next, like we're
Mhm.
moving, like he's got big bite.
Big bite, okay?
Watch your fingers. No squishing. Look how he's able to take. You see how he's taking just he's leaving the skin.
Uh-huh.
He's purposely just getting the grape part. See how long it takes you.
Aayan, look at me.
Chew, chew, swallow. Look at mommy.
Swallow. Chew. He just
All over.
all over the place.
He doesn't have a grip,
Grape
a
is all
grasp,
over the
a
place.
grip on it, in his teeth.
Stay there.
Yeah.
Stay.